So lip augmentation is very common procedure these days. So it is increasing every year in my practice. So most of the females, they are coming to plump up their lips. So what is in the examination? Because I have to be very genuine, I have to take the facial measurements and see what type of ratio the upper and lower lip has with all of the face, and then we decide what type of results can be achieved. We show many before and after pictures of the actual patient, and we want few pictures from our client, what are her expectations. So you can show me what type of augmentation, whether you want it to a larger extent or to a smaller extent. So it is always done by the derma fillers injection. So there are two type of products, which is a thinner product if you want a subtle results, and there is a thicker product if you want a more pouting lips. So it is my experience, because over last few years I have been doing lot number of cases, and I am trained nationally and internationally in the lip augmentation techniques. So the procedure takes only 10 to 15 minutes. So we will apply the numbing cream for half an hour, and after that the injection techniques is done by myself. It just takes me 10 to 15 minutes to do the lip augmentation. What is the product? So it is always the hyaluronic acid in specific concentration and from the different brands. So we always use the world class products, so from a very renowned company. So the longevity depends upon the quality of the product. So it stays there for 1.5 to 2 years. So you can see in this picture, so I can highlight few of my cases, 2 or 3 of my cases. You can see the results are very natural, and even if you are many patients, they are worried that they might not get a very different appearance or the very pouty lips. But believe me, I always underdo the lips, because if I underdo, I can always add it on a later date. We never overdo, because reducing the lip by a certain dissolving injection is again a very challenging technique. So what are the complications if you don't choose your doctor wisely? You are getting from any surgeon. So first thing is, choose a plastic surgeon or a dermatologist. So the doctor should be qualified and with lot of experience. Try to see at least 20 cases of before and after of the lip augmentation and the product. So I am not here to give the names of the product, but it is very common that you should have a very reputed product from a reputed clinic, and the experience of the doctor is again very important. Otherwise the complications can be in the form of the disfigurement, uneven results, they can be infection, they can be bruising, they can be some injury to the nerve or to the blood vessel, and all these are complications if it is not done by a trained doctor. Thank you.